Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Triple C Creations Crafting here in North Georgia, and I am here to show you some examples of some store-bought cards, upcycled maybe, or they've got that personal touch added to them. So don't be afraid to pass those up. I'm guilty of when I see pretty cards at the thrift store or just like super cheap, I will buy them. So this first set. Honestly, I could probably count these, but there was a ton of these. Look at them. There was two different prints, but that's foil on them, and it's big, and it's got envelopes. It's not quite an A2 card, but they're so pretty. I could not resist them. So I got these, and I thought, it would be very easy to add just a little bit of something to these. I mean, they're pretty like they are, but we always like to personalize things. That's what we do as crafters. So you can see all my embellishments I've got pulled out here. A lot of these are Dollar Tree stickers. So starting off with these store-bought cards, and honestly, I've had them a while. I don't remember how much I paid, but it was like nothing. I mean, like I may have paid like $1 for 50 of them. So let me show you what I did. So here was the card. And I just added this simple daffodil sticker from the Dollar Tree, and then a silver thank you sticker. Now that silver thank you sticker came from this Paper Studio pad. I got this when it was 40% off, so I didn't pay that much, and I thought this would be something good to travel with. But it has silver embellishments, so I'm probably going to use a lot of these silver embellishments on these, and it has this nice little place at the bottom that I can put it, and y'all, I don't know if you can see all that in the camera, but it just matches perfect. So got a lot of those I can make. I thought I could even make like sets of these and give them as gifts, like a set of thank you cards, and I could do just different flowers on them. So great gift idea, like super cheap. All right, there's one. So then I got this set of thank you notes, and I think I got them at the dollar or at the thrift store maybe, but I believe I've seen these at the Dollar Tree. So I like the colors in it. I kind of struggled with what to do with them. I've had them a while, what to do with them, and got out all my stickers again from the Dollar Tree, or most of them are from the Dollar Tree, and I started matching them up, and I found this set of these little potted succulents, and aren't those super cute? And I've just put them different places, but they really just match this card front perfectly, and I'm hoping I'll find some more. This is just like my feminine stickers. I've got a bag that's got some like kid themed stickers, and I think I've got some more in that because I got these little faces on them. So I'm gonna look for some more of those, and again, that would even, now I've got, like, I could do a set of these and give those as a gift. Okay. All right. Last one. These were actually wedding invitations, and I bought them. I think I actually may have got them at Hobby Lobby or something, but they were super cheap, like 75% off probably. I mean, I paid less than $2 for the whole pack, and it came with these pretty envelopes that are 5x7, so they're 5x7, and then this it's kind of got a pearl finish to it. It's lavender. And it's an envelope. There's the envelope, but then you've got this envelope or sleeve, and it had this piece of paper in it. And what you were supposed to do is like put this in your computer and print something, and then you would see like the name, through there. But I'm not gonna do that. So I took these out and I folded them in two. Okay, and that made the perfect size to go with all these envelopes I had also bought. Probably not on the same trip, but I bought a bunch of envelopes. These are actually, let's see what kind of envelopes these are. These are A1 envelopes. They were 50 in a thing. And again, I paid maybe $1. I want to think $1.50 for these envelopes. So I've got a bunch of envelopes this side. I've got the craft paper and the white ones. So I folded all the inserts this way. And then I started taking these and cutting them apart, because right now they're, you can put stuff in, but it's really pretty cardstock. So I cut them apart and got like a front and a back, and then I started putting them in my die cut machine, and y'all, let me tell you, they cut so good. I used one of my dies that I got recently at the thrift store. If you watched my last haul video, this happy birthday. So it cuts it out and then embosses the happy birthday on it. And then I did some flowers. I'm trying to figure out something that would coordinate with it, but look at all these flowers. They cut so good. This is really good for cardstock. And then I did some silver and gold also. And it was all just scrap papers. They had been used for other things. So I cut those. And let me show you the finished product though. That's what you want to see, the finished product. And these are just, I kind of used the same template. So, gold happy birthday, some flowers. There was a sticker, or actually that wasn't a sticker, I had to glue it down. It's kind of vellum with a gold embossing on. There's the silver, so kind of coordinating. But aren't those so pretty? I know somebody that likes purple. I may give them a set of these for their, I may give them a set of birthday cards for the birthday. But you could also monogram these and put like their monogram on it and give as a set that way. So I'm just super excited about these. These are so cute. And this is, like I said, this is great cardstock. I think I'm going to cut all this up. So I got the front and the back. And maybe cut flowers out of it. So, because they're so pretty. They're like I said, they're kind of pearly, kind of shiny. So that's what I did with my store-bought things. I still have these envelopes. These are 5x7 envelopes. So I can still use these for cards. Yeah, or I could use them for purple paper. They're not real thick though. Wouldn't want to die cut them, but I still got those to use. So don't be afraid if you see super cheap cards that are already made. You know, don't stick to I got to make it from scratch. Give yourself a break. It'd be fun for your kids to make, or friends. You know, have some friends over that are not necessarily crafty. It gives them a starting place. And you can even kind of make up kits. What I was doing with these is I was thinking I'd kind of die cut things that matched and put it all together in a, I use, you know, this fancy, expensive storage because it holds a nice paper pad, a small paper pad, and then they stack nice in my little basket. So I'm gonna put that together, and then all my coordinating pieces will be together. I may even find some stickers that I think will coordinate with it and just have it all together. So when I need to create a card, it's all ready to go. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. You can't give it 2, but give it 1. And subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get the notifications, hit that bell. See ya.